children, we are solving practice paper 3. Already we completed 20 questions. Now we are going to do section D, which carries 4 marks. Question number 21. If x equal to 9 minus 4 root 5, find x square minus 1 by x square and x cube plus 1 by x cube. So x is given. We have to calculate x square minus 1 by x square as well as x cube plus 1 by x whole cube. So x we have written. For the solution, x equal to 9 minus 4 root 5. What is the next step? 1 by x to be written. So 1 by x equal to 1 by 9 minus 4 root 5. So denominator we are having a rational number. We should rationalize the denominator we must do. So we should multiply and divide it with a 9 plus 4 root 5 by 9 plus 4 root 5. That means 9 plus 4 root 5 divided by 9 square minus 4 root 5 whole square. That is 81 minus 80, which is equal to 9 plus 4 root 5. Right? So x we got a 9 minus 4 root 5. 1 by x we got a 9 plus 4 root 5. So what is x plus 1 by x? You should substitute 9 minus 4 root 5 plus 9 plus 4 root 5. So minus 4 root 5 plus 4 root 5 will get cancelled. So what is the remaining? 9 and 9, so 18. So x plus 1 by x we got as 18. Similarly, we should calculate what is x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x, 9 minus 4 root 5 minus of 9 plus 4 root 5. That means minus 9 minus 4 root 5. Which is the opposite sign this time? 9 is in the opposite sign. So that will get cancelled. So minus 4 root 5 minus 4 root 5 will have. So that is equal to minus 8 root 5. So x square minus 1 by x square question is asked. So this is in the form a square minus b square. So what is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. What is a here? A equal to x, b equal to 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. So substituting the values, 18 into minus 8 root 5 equal to minus 144 into root 5. That is the first answer we got. X plus 1 by x whole cube is the next question. That is a plus b whole cube. We already studied what is a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This formula we are using here. So x plus 1 by x whole cube equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into x into 1 by x bracket x plus 1 by x. So x cube plus 1 by x cube is the question is asked. Then x and 1 by x will get cancelled. And what is the remaining term in bracket? X plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x we can put the value as 18 and left side it is 18 cube. 18 cube is 5832, that is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 54. So x cube plus 1 by x cube we will keep this side plus 54 we are bringing to this side. So 5832 minus 54, that is equal to 5778, which is value x cube plus 1 by x cube. Thus we have calculated x square minus 1 by x square also and x cube plus 1 by x cube also. Question number 22. If a equal to 2x raised to x minus 1 whole divided by 2 raised to x minus 2 and b equal to 2 raised to minus x divided by 2 raised to x plus 1 and a minus b equal to 0, find x. What is the condition given in the question? A minus b equal to 0. What is a? 2 raised to x minus 1 divided by 2 raised to x minus 2 minus b means 2 raised to minus x divided by 2 raised to x plus 1 equal to 0. So it is numerator by denominator form. So the denominator power we can bring into the numerator. You know the rule very well. So 2 raised to x minus 1 minus x plus 2. Similarly this side minus 2 raised to minus x, the same, then minus x plus 1 we are bringing to the numerator. So minus x minus 1. So here x will get cancelled. So what is remaining? Minus 1 plus 2. That is why we have written here 2 raised to 1. Here what happens? Minus x, that will be minus 2x. Again minus 1. So 2 raised to 1 minus 2 raised to minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now this term we are bringing to the right side. So 2 raised to 1 equal to 2 raised to minus 2x minus 1. Now what is the rule to be followed? When the base are equal, we can equate the exponents. Implies 1 equal to minus 2x minus 1. So minus 2x I am bringing to this side and 1 we are taking to this side. So 1 will become minus 1 and minus 2x will become positive 2x. So 2x equal to minus 2. Therefore x equal to minus 1. Question number 23. Verify minus 3 and 4 are zeros of polynomial 2x cube minus 3x square minus 23x plus 12. If yes, then factorize the polynomial. So what is the first step? P of x to be written correctly. So P of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 23x plus 12. Now what is the question is asked? We must check minus 3 and 4 are the zeros. So if minus 3 is a 0 of the P of x, what we should get? P of minus 3 equal to 0. So we are finding P of minus 3. So P of minus 3 equal to 2 into minus 3 whole cube minus 3 into minus 3 whole square minus 23 into minus 3 plus 12. That means all x will be are replaced by minus 3 only. So 54 minus 27 plus 69 plus 12. So if we add, what will happen? We will get equal to 0. Therefore it is a 0 of the P of x. There is a correction here, minus 54 will come, then only total equal to 0. So we can write that it is a 0 of P of x. Don't do the error. Minus 3 cube means minus 27 into 2, that is minus 54. Here minus 3 square, that is 9 into minus 3 minus 27. And here both will be plus only. Minus 23 into 3, that is 69 and plus 12. So here the sign is minus 54. So we'll cancel here, then you'll get the 0. So it is 0 of P of x. What is the second step? P of 4, that is we have to check that whether 4 is a 0. So again, instead of minus 3, this time we have to go for 4 only. 2 into 4 cube minus 3 into 4 square minus 23 into 4 plus 12. So 2 into 64 minus 3 into 16 minus 23 into 4 plus 12. So 128 minus 48 minus 92 plus 12 equal to 0. So we'll get cancel 140 minus 140. So what is the answer? We got a 4 is a 0. Again 3 is a 0 we got here. So both are 0 only. Minus 3 is a 0 here. So what is the factor now? X plus 3 and x minus 4 are the factors of this one. So we will multiply this and we'll get the answer. X square minus x minus 12 is a factor of P of x. So two factors we got. So get the product of that one, that is x square minus x minus 12 is a factor. Now what is the next step? If these are the zeros, we should find the factor of the polynomial. So P of x to be divided by x square minus x minus 12. So normal division method. So 2x cube minus 3x square minus 23x plus 12 divided by x square minus x minus 12. If you do this, you will get the quotient as 2x minus 1 and the remainder as 0. So the factors are x plus 3, x minus 4 and a 2x minus 1. Anybody needs this division process, means always check this dividends first term. Here 2x cube divided by x square. So you will get a 2x only. So that is the quotient term. So then 2x to be multiplied with each term, you will get 2x cube minus 2x square minus 24x. Again opposite sign, should do the subtraction. So you will get minus x square plus x plus 12. So again the same only, minus x square to be divided with the first term of the divisor, that is x square only. So your answer is minus 1. So quotient you can see minus 1. Again multiply, you will get the remainder 0. So it is asked for factor only. So you must get the remainder 0 only. Otherwise you can check that you may be done some error there. So the factors are x plus 3, x minus 4 and 2x minus 1. 24. Divide P of x equal to 3x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 3 by Q of x equal to x square plus 3x plus 1. What should be subtracted from the polynomial P of x so that it is divisible by Q of x? So this time it is asked for subtracted. What should be subtracted from the polynomial so that it is divisible by Q of x? So we must calculate what is the remainder in the question. So dividend is 3x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 3. We should divide it with the x square plus 3x plus 1. Now what is the first term? 3x raised to 4. So we should do 3x raised to 4 by x square. It is equal to 3x square. So 3x square will get 3x square to be x square multiplied. It will be 3x raised to 4 only. Again 3x square into 3x, it is 9x cube. 3x square plus 1, it is plus 3x square. Then subtraction, we should change of sign and add. So the first term will get cancelled. So here minus 4x cube minus 10x square. Then the next term 2x minus 4x cube divided by x square. So it is minus 4x. So minus 4x again multiply. Minus 4x cube minus 12x square minus 4x will get change of sign. Then we will get that 2x square plus 6x plus 3. What is the next step? 2x square by x square. So it is equal to 2 only. So again 2 will come. So 2x square plus 6x plus 2 we will get. After the subtraction it will be the remainder equal to 1 only. So what is the quotient now? Quotient equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 2, remainder equal to 1. So 1 should be subtracted because 1 should be subtracted from p of x so that it is divisible by q of x. So the subtraction question is asked, so that is the remainder should be extra, that is subtracted. See, we have completed 4 mark question only. We are doing all the steps to be must be written. Practice more with this today's class. I am winding up. Thank you.